Hi, good day everyone. I'm Andre Sullivan, your from Andre, and I'm your tour guide for today from Subumong Travel and Tours, together with our coach captain, Kuya Chris, and our tour coordinator, Kuya Bro. Welcome to Sampaloc, Manila. Did you know that Sampaloc started as a barrio of Lukman called Dinggin, later changed to Alfonso XIII, honoring the then King of Spain? The name Sampaloc is derived from the Tagalog word tamarind, reflecting from the presence of many tamarind trees in the area. As we go into our first destination, we are approaching approximately 5 kilometers. As you can see on your left side, you will see the Plaza Noli, named after the famous novel Noli Me Tangere by Jose Rizal, a key figure in Philippine history and a national hero, which he exposed the social and political injustices of the Spanish colonial period. The plaza's historical significance is closely tied to Sampaloc's role as a site of early Filipino resistance against Spanish colonial rule. So we are going on our second destination. We're approaching in approximately 4 to 5 kilometers away. So we are here at the Trabajo Public Market. It's a bustling wet and dry market, popular for its fresh produce, meats, and seafoods. It's known for being a hub for local vendors and shoppers, often seen in news reports about market prices and vendor behavior. The name Trabajo is the Spanish word for work or labor, highlighting the market's role as a place where people can come to trade and earn a living. So we're here at the Dangwa Flower Market. As you can see on your right side, it owes its own origin to areas road as a bus terminal for buses traveling from the Cordillera region, particularly Baguio City, a major source of cut flowers. These buses, including Dangwa Chaco, started bringing flowers to Manila, establishing the market over time. The market grew in popularity, becoming a major hub for flower distribution, particularly during peak seasons like Valentine's Day and All Saints' Day. Dangwa is known as the bagsakan or trading post for flowers and foliage in Metro Manila, sourced from various regions including Baguio City, Davao City, Tagaytay City, Cotabato City, and Laguna. For our fourth destination, we are approaching in around 3 kilometers away. We are approaching on our fourth destination, the University Belt or U-Belt in Sampaloc, Manila. Is a renowned area with one of the highest concentrations of colleges and universities in Southeast Asia, including historic institutions like the University of Santo Tomas, founded in 1916, the oldest existing university in Asia, located across parts of Sampaloc, Quiapo, and San Miguel. It is not only an academic hub but also a historic center for student activism, especially during the martial law era. As we are going to our fifth destination, we are approaching approximately 6 kilometers away. As you can see on the left side, you will see the Altura Market known as Altura Gonzaga Market. This community market is located in San Tomás, Manila, close to Sampaloc, Manila. Its location near the Polytechnic University of the Philippines makes it a convenient spot for both residents and students offering fresh meat and daily necessities. It's a popular shopping hub that is easily accessible in public transportation. Again, I'm Kuya Andre, your tour guide for today, together with our coach captain, Kuya Chris, and our tour coordinator, Kuya Jan. We are the Subumong Travel and Tours. Thank you and safe travels.